Hello everyone, we are Group 9. We are going to explain about autoimmune regulator. Immunity can be divided into two categories, innate immunity and acquired immunity. First, bacteria or virus invades an organism and innate immune response occurs. Based on the antigen information processed by innate immunity, acquired immunity is triggered. We are focused on T cells in the acquired immunity. T cells are activated when presented with antigen of bacteria by dendritic cells or macrophages. Dendritic cells first take up the antigen and present the degraded peptide bound to a molecule called MHC on the cell surface. MHC is a protein that binds antigen peptides and presents them to T cells. The TCR on the T cells bind to the complex of the presented peptide and MHC, and then it signals for activation. How are T cells produced? Hematopoietic stem cells, which are the source of T cells, are produced in the bone marrow, and then the progenitor cells migrate to the thymus. In the thymus, they undergo positive and negative selection, and cells that have positive selection are released into peripheral tissues. However, cells that have negative selection are apoptosis. What is a positive and negative selection? T cells cannot be activated unless they bind to the MHC molecules of dendritic cells. Therefore, positive selection is a system to select T cells that can bind to MHC. So those cells that bind weakly to the MHC antigen complex are selected. On the other hand, T cells should not attack their own cells. So T cells that bind strongly to the MHC triggers apoptosis. It prevents the formation of T cells attacks their own cells. In the body, various proteins are expressed in various organs. AIRE is a transcription factor. It causes transcription of a wide selection of organ-specific genes that create proteins that are usually expressed in peripheral tissues. If T cells bind a self-peptide, they are signal to apoptosis. AIRE can eliminate T cells that attack themselves. What happens when AIRE is defective? AIRE prevents T cells from attacking their own cells. Therefore, if it is defective, T cells will attack their own cells. Especially, it is known as APECED, an inherited autoimmune disease in humans. Thank you for watching.